What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to buy weapons in Shadow 1. So if you would like to buy guns like this or some other weapons, then follow these steps and you will be set up in a couple of minutes. So what you need to do is reach the rank Hustler 5, and once you have done that, go to the Taco Ticklers. Now if you are there, you can go down and there you will find this red door. This door only opens between 6 p.m. and 6 a.m. so only in the nightly hours. And make sure you have unlocked rank Hustler 5. Now open the door and go inside. And what you will find here is a guy who sells stuff like this. All the kinds of equipment you will need for your business. And also a guy who sells weapons. And as you can see, he got a lot of weapons on this table. So if you would like to buy something, then talk to Stan. And after that, you can select the kind of weapons you need or ammo. So select it. After that, you can buy a gun for just $1,000 and make the deal. And now you have bought a new gun. Now he's getting mad. Oei, he almost killed me. So that is basically how you buy weapons. But if you would like to get the baseball bat, there is also an option to go down to the basketball court and there you will find a free bat. So this will be probably your first free weapon. Just get it and now you are able to use the bat in game. So that is how you buy weapons in Shadow 1. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers, guys!